So hello, good morning, class. Yeah, all right. So in today's class, we are going to be working on a Power BI. All right. So we are going to be looking at how to create tables, columns into an existing table. All right. Like you can see my screen now. This is my Power BI dashboard where I'm showing you how to create different tables here. The name of my table here is date table. Here you can see date table is equals to calendar. Yeah. Now I'm trying to create another column here. All right, so my column name comes first in the data set. All right, so I'm trying to create a column titled, all right, just exercise some bit of patience. Yeah, weekday. Okay, WEEKDAY equals to, yeah. So my weekday is equals to, weekday. Literally means that, okay, like look at this date column here. Have, Saturday, I have the date, the month, and the year. All right. So my weekday, open bracket, date, table, there. Okay, right. So weekday is a function then trying to extract an information out. So now, so when I say date table, comma 2. So 2 literally means that I'm trying to ascribe number to my weekday here. So you can see the number here. 6, 7, 2. Okay, so Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, Thursday is 4, Friday, and so on and so forth. That's that. All right, so yeah, I'm trying to create a relationship between two tables. All right, so I have my patient admission date here, moved here. So my patient admission date has been moved to the second table. All right, so you see these windows pop up. So you make this relationship active. All right, then you click on save. Perfect. So when you click on save like this, here you see it's working. You're okay now. A relationship has been created between the two tables. So when you hover your cursor on the center, you realize that the two tables were showing. Yeah. So that's the data table. So you could also adjust. So you can see the relationship here. Now we've got a connection. Then you go to table view. So now you can see this formula bar here saying weekday is equals to what? Weekday is a function, date, table, date. So I'm extracting the weekday from this first table here. So let me go to my Canva environment. Okay, that's my Canva environment. This is my table view here. And okay, yeah, this is my Canva environment. Yeah. All right. So can you see now? I haven't created my relationship here. So it has brought me down. Yeah. So thank you and God bless you.